Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota Today. Well, we told you John David Birdall is back in studio with another episode of This Is How You Make It. Good morning, John.
Good morning, everyone. How is everything going here?
Fantastic.
Oh, good. Good. If it's not fantastic, I quit.
Well,
I'm going home.
and crafting for the rest of my life. So what are we getting into today?
Yeah, so we had picked out a card last week from this Get Crafty sort of jar that I got at a thrift store here in town. And I thought that was pretty neat, you know, just to do this for a little while, just to show people you can find inspiration, right, motivation anywhere you go, especially at places like Dakota Boys Ranch is where I got this. So anyway, we picked out a card that said we had to make masquerade masks.
Ooh.
So
Yes,
fun.
yes. And so I didn't actually see what was on the back of the card for the material.
I lost it. We can blame me.
I was gonna let you off the hook, but she
That's okay.
she totally
So
threw
we're
herself
freestyling.
she did it. She threw herself under the bus. So yeah, so I just went to Target and Walmart and Dollar Tree, and I found some items, you know, and really inexpensive. So these items, you know, some of these. Oh, and then the As Seen on TV. Unglued sort of class that I taught. That's what these are here. Yeah, we painted with scissors, and that went so well.
So fun.
So well. Yes, yes.
And I know
really, really
our
fun.
viewers love seeing you out in the community too. You got a lot of fans of this segment right here.
I know. I've met them. Hello.
Hey guys.
Yep, that went so well. It was great shaking hands with individuals and talking about so much. So yeah, I started working on this masquerade mask right here.
Cute.
Yeah, I just started putting that together, and I thought, okay, how do I make this quick? I'm going to be on TV, and maybe you'll be working with some, I don't know, makers at home who I don't know about being impatient, but you know, are ready to get something done immediately.
Yeah, we know kids can be impatient.
I went to Walmart and I found these Spider-Man
Oh.
sorts of
Cute.
masks.
That's
Yes,
smart.
yes. And then I got, thank you so much. And then I got some 32-cent felt. And then I just glued that on the front.
Nice.
Okay, yes, isn't that great?
Nifty.
And so that's what you can be working with. Here's this one.
Perfect.
Also at Target, I got this bag, okay? This gift bag.
Cute.
Here, you know? And yeah, very cute. And this could be utilized with a mask here.
Oh,
this part.
yeah.
Yeah, so I cut off the back. All right, and then I glued it to the front of one of the Spider-Man masks just to make it a little more floral, make it
I
a
like
little more
that
decorative.
pattern. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I know. Can we trade?
Yeah, absolutely. There you
Heck
go.
yeah.
Yeah, and I think this really demonstrates too that you don't need to go out and buy a lot of things for this. You can or utilize what you already have. But tell me,
Absolutely.
why did you get these?
Oh,
'Cause this I'm drawn to immediately.
Well, at first I had thought, yeah, before the cameras, before we were on, it was kind of like, ooh, bunny ears. And those
yeah,
are at
these are
Target.
going on.
Yes,
Okay.
those are $1 at Target.
What?
This is masquerade-esque.
Yes, and that's what I had thought. Like, if not just the shape or something like that, you could attach something to the top.
Ooh.
Yeah, and flowers here.
Or utilize some of the sort of material, and I kept some of the extra materials.
Nice.
You know, so we could work with those. And yeah, I took some of that sort of fuzzy, fluffy sort of item
Cute.
off of there, and I got some feathers.
Oh,
of course.
yeah.
You know, oh, there's a bit right there. So watch out with those. That feather stuff gets everywhere, just like glitter. And then I
Okay.
got these, so you could work with those.
Fun.
Yes,
I love
absolutely.
this. I'm gonna get cracking.
Good. Yeah,
I
please
do
do.
love the original shape of
So
the
this is the one I
mask,
was
but I
working
might
on.
cut mine down a little bit.
Yeah, go
Ooh,
ahead.
yeah.
Go ahead. So yeah, what I did on the back of the mask that I have, I drew the shape first on the back,
Okay.
and then I cut.
Well,
You can do it if
she's
you know what you're supposed
freestyling.
to do. Yes, please do that. You know, I'm just showing people that's what I did.
Yes.
Now a little bit of history about masquerade masks. Okay, masquerade balls began in about the 14th century and continued until about the 18th century, and then after that they just became a sort of novelty.
Uh-huh.
You know, and sort of like what, Venice, Paris.
If there's
bit of
any
England.
modern day masquerade balls, let us know.
Sure,
I
yeah.
think they would be so fun.
Are you guys going to pay for my plane ticket so I can
Right?
go?
Yes. Why did we get rid of them?
Figure that sort of thing out. So yeah, it was, I suppose, a trend, and also it was a chance to be someone else.
Yeah.
The mask was the most important part because you could disguise yourself. Royalty could disguise themselves, you know, and look pretty common, or commoners could disguise themselves and pretend to be royalty. Either way.
So I might be wearing this to the grocery store now, is what you're saying.
I say do that. You know, walking around just being like, hey, I'm just
I
here for
love
eggs,
that.
just here for milk. You know, I'm just a guy. You know, I'm just like everyone else.
Okay, yeah, I'm seeing this is a little tall, so maybe I will trim the forehead down a
Yep,
little
and that's
bit.
what I did on the back. You know,
Oh, okay.
I cut the back.
Oh,
like
you
that.
made a cool design
Yes,
too.
and then I attached feathers to that, so you can't really see it from the front. So I blame myself. And
I like
then
the
got,
feathers.
And then I got a bow tie. That was at Walmart.
Ooh.
Rather inexpensive, $1 something something. And then for you, I got a flower. You already opened it, and I'll just hold it up.
love
so I
it.
got a flower, sort of paper flower. There
Okay.
we go. And then there's some fabric paint too that I got. If you're supposed to paint a
Nice.
design, and also glitter glue. You know, you could work with that. You know, and yeah, metallic sort of pens.
Well, these Spider-Man masks are perfect because then you don't have to worry about the elastic.
That's why
doing that
I did
yourself.
get it. Yeah, and there are different types of masks too. There's like full face mask,
Yeah.
you know, which often had a sort of beak, so you can actually like drink something. Has anyone seen those? It comes out to a sort of point.
Yes.
Yeah, that was really so you could continue to. There's a feather. Forrest Gump.
I love this. Okay, well, you guys know the drill by now. Sophie and I are going to work very hard in this commercial break, and we will be back in about 2 minutes with an update on how our masquerade masks are looking. So don't go anywhere. More of This Is How You Make It when we come back.